code. But then the deadline comes and you start writing quick and dirty code. Well, it's not always the case. Sometimes we get customers asking for quick and dirty code right from the beginning. I've had this. But in most cases, you can ignore them and just do your thing. And so here's an idea. What if you could write well-crafted code faster or at the same speed as you are writing quick and dirty code? Wouldn't that be great? And that's, for me, is the definition of professionalism. You should be able to do this. And how do you do this? You don't learn it in college. You don't learn it at workplace. It's impossible. You have to practice. You have to learn it by yourself. And you can practice alone, or you can practice with some other programmers. It's perfectly fine, as long as you do it. So some other things is, maybe it would be interesting to learn some of the history of software development. I mean, we talk now about TDD, but in the time of punched cards, people had to write tests on the punch cards in order to make sure that the program is working. So it's not such a new technique, after all. And another thing that's missing from our profession is it's a young industry, and we haven't yet learned to value experience and knowledge of other people. I mean, there are people who programmed for 40 years. You should be able to value this. You should say, okay, maybe I have something to learn from that guy. He